Welcome to my membership course on e-commerce. In this course, I'm going to be showing you how I make money day after day through e-commerce. For those of you that don't know what e-commerce is, it is selling physical, well, actually selling any products online. But what I'm going to be showing you is how to sell physical products online. So the platform we're going to be using is Shopify. For those of you that don't know, it's a you can create your website on there. It's a fully functioning cart. It's a great platform. You can get started for a free 14 days. I believe after that they have a few different payment plans that you can choose from. So that should be your only investment to get started. There's a few other things I can show you, but in most cases, you should be able to do this for relatively cheaply, inexpensively. Um, there will be a few things you will need to spend money on, like ads, but we'll get to that in a later course. So let's go ahead and get started on creating our first e-commerce site. See you in the first lesson.